Those were the days when a glowing skin was only a woman's top priority. These days everyone yearns for a soft, smoother, and of course, blemish-free glowing skin. And with each of us engulfed in hectic schedules, irregular eating habits, inadequate sleep, and pollution, achieving a flawless and picture-perfect, glowing skin has become difficult if not an impossible task. While there are scores of skin and beauty care products available in the market, nothing beats the goodness and wholesomeness of natural products. So, walk into your kitchen today and create some of these handy and easy to implement home remedies that promise to give you glowing skin. 1. Turmeric. Blessed with antibacterial properties, turmeric is one divine spice that will never let you down. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant that helps in achieving that wonderful glow. It has curcumin, which is an anti-inflammatory agent and helps to get rid of puffiness. Not only does it give the skin a glow, turmeric makes the skin rejuvenated and keeps dull skin at bay. 2. Honey. Honey is a great moisturizer and helps to keep the skin well hydrated. Honey's antibacterial properties help to ward off infections and also reduce blemishes and acne at home. Honey ensures spotless skin. It is rich in bleaching properties and helps in fading of pigmentation and scars. You can directly apply honey on your face and neck area, but ensure that your skin is clean and damp. Massage for a few minutes, allowing it to get absorbed by the skin. Now, wash off with lukewarm water. 3. Olive oil. Olive oil acts as an antioxidant for the skin. It helps in preventing early aging of skin. Putting olive oil on skin after exposure to the sun is known to fight cancer-causing cells. Olive oil is known to repair skin damage. It's not only great for the skin but also gives it a nice shiny glow. Every night before hitting the bed, take a few drops of olive oil and apply all over your face and neck. Massage in an upward direction for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, dip a towel in warm water, squeeze off the excess water and place on your face and neck for about a minute. Dip the towel again in warm water and use it to gently wipe off the excess oil on the face and neck. Now, with another clean towel, dry off the face and neck area. You should also include this step in your monsoon skincare routine. 4. Orange juice. Oranges are known to be brimming with vitamin C and help in detoxification. A glassful of orange juice daily helps to clean the complexion and rejuvenate the skin in no time. Thanks to its vitamin C and citric acid content, orange also helps to control acne and gives firmness to the skin. So, make it a regular practice to squeeze a few oranges each morning. Add a pinch of salt and some black pepper to this freshly made juice and gulp it down along with other regular breakfast items. Alternatively, you can also take a few pieces of orange peel and grind it with a few drops of rose water to make a smooth paste. Apply this paste all over your face and rise after 15 minutes with cool water. 5. Milk. Tyrosine, the melanin-controlling hormone, leads to darkening of skin. Milk controls the level of tyrosine in the skin and promotes a skin full of glow. Raw milk is one of the easiest accessible ingredient for getting good-looking skin. You can apply raw milk to your skin or mix it with any other ingredients and form a paste. 6. Besan. This has been a tried and tested agent in homes over the years. Besan hasn't failed when the desire of a healthier and shinier skin has come calling. Besan or gram flour acts as a natural exfoliator and helps in removing dead skin cells. You don't need to buy fancy cosmetics or face packs off the shelves. Besan works wonders by bringing to surface a healthier and newer skin. Besan is used by mixing it with water, milk, or any other ingredients. It is applied like a pack on the skin. Sometimes, sugar is also added to help in exfoliation. 7. Cucumber. Dry skin, chapped skin, dark circles. Include cucumbers not only in your diet but also your beauty regimen. Cucumber has the same pH level as that of our skin. It helps in replenishing the skin's protective layer, keeps the skin hydrated, thus promoting glowing skin. Which home remedies you prefer for your glowing skin? Do you prefer any medicine for your glowing skin? Please, let us know in the comments below. We would like to really hear your opinion. If you have found this video helpful, please like this video. It really means a lot to us. And if you think it might help one of your friends, don't be shy and share this video with them as well. That way, we all can help people we care about to live happier life. And if you didn't do so yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive more informational videos that will improve your health and lifestyle. Thank you for watching this Get Glowing Skin at Home video, and we will see you on our next video. Bye bye.